In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in Jira. If you want to track more specific information inside your issues, adding fields to the issue layout is a simple way to make Jira work better for your team. This is especially useful when the default fields are not enough, and you need to capture details like environments, dates, or other project-specific data directly where your team is already working. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go to the top navigation bar, click on Projects, and then select the project where you want to add the field. Make sure you open the correct project because the layout changes you're about to make will apply there. When the project opens, you'll usually land on the board view, such as a Scrum board or a Kanban board. From here, move to the left-hand sidebar and scroll all the way down until you find Project Settings. Click that to open the project configuration area. This is where Jira keeps the tools for controlling issue behavior and layout. After the project settings page loads, look through the updated sidebar for either issue types or layouts, depending on the version and setup you're using. Click the option that gives you access to the issue layout editor. Then choose the specific issue type you want to update, like bug, story, or task. This is important because each issue type can have its own layout. Now you'll be inside the layout editor. On the right side of the screen, you should see a panel showing available fields. At the top of that panel, click into the search box and type the name of the field you want to add. As you type, Jira will filter the list, making it much easier to find the exact field you need. Once you find the field, click and hold it, then drag it from the right-hand panel into your preferred location in the issue layout. You can place it in the main issue details area or in the side panel, depending on how visible you want it to be. Drop it where it makes the most sense for your workflow. A good tip here is to keep the layout clean and logical so users can quickly find and fill in the field. Before saving, take a moment to review the layout. Make sure the field names are clear, concise, and easy to understand. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Save Changes. Jira will then apply the update and your new field will be available in that issue layout. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.